I'm a, it's a bad man thing.
Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Here we are with another review, and I just wanted to give a quick couple of shots of my hair and my braiding pattern. I know a couple of people have asked how I wear my hair under my wigs. I will be doing an update on my natural hair, so please stay tuned for that. So of course I'm going to begin with some Got To Be Glued, and I'm just going to lay this along my hairline. This is a review on some bundles sent to me by Amanda Hair, so I'm not going to hold up too much of your time. I will let most of this play out and then come back with my final thoughts.
See, I like when you come around, make you come and be my queen, oh. Make you move that thing, bring it down. Make you move that thing, bring it down. See, I like when you come around, make you come around.
Laying the size on these frontals has always been such a super big struggle of mine, and I think in the future I will definitely leave more lace than I should on the sides and cut as I go. I think this will definitely help the hairline blend a little bit better. So now I'm just following up with some rubbing alcohol on a rag. This helps to get rid of that white residue. Learned that from Pink Mill herself. And of course, I'm following up with some powder to blend out the hairline and make it look a little bit more natural. And this right here, I'm just using some simple oil to slick this hair down, brush it out, and voila, baby. Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. You already know what time it is. It's 2 o'clock for me. Whatever time it is for you, drop it in the comments down below. Of course, here we are with another bundle review. I keep saying wig review, and this is actually a bundle wig review. If you are new to the channel, welcome. Make sure you hit that subscribe button for your girl, and of course all my social media links will be in the description box down below. Honey boo 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 boo. So here we are with some bundles sent to me by Amanda Hair. I'm a little taken aback. I think this is the first time I have actually gotten my frontal to lay as flat as this is laying, and I must say, girl, I'm proud of myself. So I am a little extra today, if you cannot already tell. So let's get into this review. So I have 3 24-inch bundles and 1 20-inch frontal of their Brazilian straight. Decided to keep it real simple with this look. I did bleach the knots on this frontal, girl. I am so sorry, but for whatever reason, my phone was not recording when I bleached the knots. I left this on for about 20 to 30 minutes, and I probably could have took it off after 20 because the knots did take pretty well. I do think I left it on a little too long, and unfortunately, some of the bleach did get on the hair, but of course, you can't see it. Really beginner friendly hairline. Really happy with this hairline. All I did was customize a few subtle baby hairs, and that was it. I did mess up a little bit on the sides, but that's nothing that I can't fix with trial and error. Like I've always said, this is a learning process for me, just like it is for you. But guess what? We will get there together, boo-boo. This hair in its natural state is actually really, really pretty. I was so tempted to leave this hair as is, but it was only the ends that curled up like this. But of course, as you can see, I did flat iron this with my setting to about 360, and it did take the heat really, really well. I do not plan on curling this unit. I do like the sleek, straight look of this hair, so I definitely do not plan on putting any type of curls in this hair. Now here is the kicker. Guess what I did? I made this wig entirely too small. It actually worked out for me because I did get a very snug and a very flat look. So it was a mistake, but I'm actually glad I did make it, because I think I'm going to make my wigs way smaller than I have been making them. No real cons that I can think of with this hair. I did use every single bundle in this wig, and I am very, very happy with the density. It does have a thick feel to it, but it has a very natural look. I'm actually really happy with this density. I do think you could possibly get away with maybe 2, maybe 3 bundles, especially with this length, but definitely a great amount of hair. So I think that's going to be it for this review. If you are interested in these bundles, I will leave a direct link in the description box down below. Also leave a direct link to their website as well. Of course, as always, let me know what you think down below. And don't forget to like, comment, share this video, share any video with your family, your friends, your mama, your sister, your cousin, your nephew, your neighbor down the street. Let them know about the channel, and of course, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Of course, whatever wig you wear, whatever style, cut, or color, make sure you wear it with confidence. And I'll talk to you guys in the next.